Hey everyone, welcome to iJOY USA's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the door on the X3 Captain, as there have been a lot of questions on the closing mechanism. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first let's take a look at the exterior of the door when it is closed. You can see that you have two eye holes for the locking mechanism. Looking at these will allow you to see that your door is securely fastened. Second, looking at the interior of the door, we can see where the two holes would meet the exterior eye holes. These mechanisms will allow you to have a secure fit to your door. Again, making sure that these are secure inside the eye holes of the exterior door will allow you to have a more secure feel when you close your door. Now, let's see how it's done. If you're only using one hand to do this, that's fine, but we recommend that you use two hands to close the door, as it will make the closure definite and secure. Now let's watch as we see inside the eye holes as the locking mechanisms meet. You can see that both slide in together, and then you can see that now the mechanism has closed on the latch of the door. So let's see what happens when we shake it. Okay, so again, we're going to show you one more time. Again, this time we're going to go ahead and put in the three 2700 batteries. And again, we want you to notice that these latches are visible once you do close the door. Let's go ahead and take a look. And you can see those locking mechanisms again slide underneath those two exterior eye holes. We're going to go ahead and give it a good shake again, and you can see that that door is nice and secure. Okay everybody, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns regarding the battery door, please go ahead and write in the comments below. We hope this answers a lot of your questions that you had regarding the issues or complications that you might have incurred with the closure. So thank you for watching.